know that you have prepared for this moment. Sa pagharap nyo ngayon sa Panginoon, huwag po kayong mahiyang manghingi sa Kanya. Tingin nyo ang lahat-lahat ng grasya na magpapatibay ng inyong pagsasama.
Thank you ulit sa pagpunta. Sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat today. Yun lang. Kiss and sit.
Palpitate ka. Suot ko na rin. Itong pinagpala sa lalaki lahat. Nalalagay ka na sa pagsasakal ng buhay. Mel, Rafa, and sa aking best man.
Palm tree dreams right here beneath these sheets. We could sleep in all day, taking our time, baby, if you join me, take it easy. Summertime haze, lay your head back, now it sounds cliche, but you are something special, so won't you stay, stay, dancing with the cabinet. I like the way you
Hi, mahal. Alam mo ba, sa milyong pagkakataong pwedeng hindi tayo magtagpo, nagtagpo pa rin tayo. Sa lahat ng pwede kong makilala, ikaw ang dumating. Sometimes I wonder how different my life would be without you. Siguro mas tahimik pero hindi ganito kasaya. You are the kind of presence that makes everything feel lighter. The kind of love that makes life worth it.
Finally, the long wait to our wedding day is magically happening right now. I have seen you, how you grow as a person, a man full of dreams and determination to be a man called Sir Marky. Really work hard to accomplish everything he has right now. Malapit na kitang maging ex-girlfriend. I can't wait to see you. Ano yun? Walk down the aisle. I'll always love you, mahal. From your soon-to-be husband. You are always on my side on our hard days, and now we are celebrating our achievements together.
Sabay natin harapin ang panibagong chapter ng buhay natin na ganito pa rin tayo magkasama at sabay natin buuin ang pamilyang gusto natin. Excited na ako makita ka.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Ivy Fatima na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
I can wait to start our family together because I know you will be a responsible and great husband. Thank you for everything. Happy 112 months to us today. 9 years and a lifetime with you. I love you.
Hi, mahal. I hope you like my gift. can't wait to see you. I love you. From your soon-to-be wife.
Ivy, Fatima, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Maurice na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal, ito na to. Wala nang ayawan to ha. At promise ko sa'yo, mananatili rin ako at palaging sa'yo.